Hi, here is Klaas Nienhuis, and in this video I want to show you the latest addition to devfab.io. This is about creating annotations. I encourage you to take a look at the other tutorials about annotations, navigating, viewing, editing, but here we're going to create annotations. And let's get started. In this first example, we're just going to create annotations in random positions. Each time I click the button, an annotation is added. And here you already see a big difference with the Sketchfab editor. In the Sketchfab editor, you can only position annotations on a surface of an object, but with the API, you can put them anywhere in world space, which can be a big benefit. All the examples here come with full code and explanations, so it should be quite straightforward to follow along. Instead of creating an annotation when you click a button, you can also create annotations when the scene starts up. This is a very common scenario, and you want to do this when you have your own collection of annotations in your database or in your CRM. And when the model loads, you get that list of annotations and then you show them. This is very similar to how Sketchfab does it itself. It has stored annotations in the Sketchfab editor database somewhere, and then it shows them on the model. But it is super convenient to have control over your own annotations because, for instance, you could swap them out for annotations in a different language. Or maybe, like if this is a geography test, you could have tests for different levels and swap out different annotations. And you are not dependent on the Sketchfab editor and on the maximum number of annotations that's available in there. We can also create annotations when you click the mouse on a model, like so. And of course, this is this is very similar to how you do it in the Sketchfab editor. But you can emulate this, and when you do it yourself, instead of in the Sketchfab editor, you can actually store these annotations somewhere else in your own database. And you can do the same on animated models, which is just a cool feature. Let me pause this animation here and click the model a few times, maybe here on the tail, and then play the animation. Then you see that the annotations stick to the model, which is really funky. All right, well, all the code examples here can be used, cloned on CodePen, and well, get started with the Sketchfab API. It's really fun. Okay, bye-bye.